Good morning. I am Navneet Jain. I am lecturer in electrical engineering and electronics department here in Government RC Khetan Polytechnic College, Jaipur. Today I am going to deliver unit topic transducer for secondary electronics students. Here's some basic introduction of electrical transducer. What is this? An electrical transducer is a device which is capable of converting physical quantities into a proportional electrical quantity such as voltage or electric current. Hence, it converts any quantity to be measured into a usable electrical signal. This physical quantity which is to be measured can be pressure, level, temperature, displacement, etc. The output which is obtained from the transducer is in the electrical form and is equivalent to the measured quantity. For example, a temperature transducer will convert temperature to an equivalent electrical potential. This output signal can be used to control the physical quantity or display it. Next, types of transducer. The transducer changes the physical quantity into an electrical signal. Means any input signal, non-electrical signal, that is converted into an electrical signal. Here it is an electronic device which has two main functions, means sensing and transduction. It senses the physical quantity and then converts it into mechanical works or electrical signals. The transducer is of many types and they can be classified by the following criteria. First, by transduction used. Second, as a primary and secondary transducer. Third, as a passive and active transducer. Fourth, as analog and digital transducer. Fifth, as the transducer and inverse transducer. Here the figure shows the classification of transducer. The transducer receives the measurement and gives a proportional amount of output signal. The output signal is sent to the conditioning device where the signal is attenuated, filtered and modulated. Transducer is divided on the basis of transduction: resistive, inductive, capacitive, primary and secondary transducer, active and passive transducer, analog and digital transducer, transducer and inverse transducer. The input quantity is the non-electrical quantity and the output electrical signal is in the form of current, voltage or frequency. Next. So I will describe all these classification. First, classification based on the principle of transduction. The transducer is classified by the transduction medium. The transduction medium may be resistive, inductive or capacitive, depends on the conversion process. That how input transducer converts the input signal into resistance, inductance and capacitance respectively. Second, primary and secondary transducer. What is primary transducer? Here, the transducer consists the mechanical as well as the electrical devices. The mechanical devices of the transducer change the physical input quantities into a mechanical signal. This mechanical device is known as primary transducers. And next, secondary transducer. The secondary transducer converts the mechanical signal into an electrical signal. The magnitude of the output signal depends on the input mechanical signal. Now, here I am explaining primary and secondary transducer by means of example of primary secondary transducer. By an example, so here the diagram of Bourdon's tube. Bourdon's tube, consider the Bourdon's tube shown in the figure below. The tube acts as a primary transducer. It detects the pressure and converts it into a displacement from its free end. The displacement of the free ends moves the core of the linear variable displacement transformer, that is known as in short LVDT. The movement of the core induces the output voltage, which is directly proportional to the displacement of the tube free end. Thus, the two types of transduction occurs in the Bourdon tube. First, the pressure is converted into a displacement, and then it is converted into the voltage by the help of the LVDT. So this is a good example of showing primary and secondary transducer. The Bourdon tube is the primary transducer, and the LVDT is called the secondary transducer. Secondary transducer. Now, next is what is passive and active transducer. The transducer is classified as the active and passive transducers. First, passive transducer. The transducer which requires the power from an external supply source is known as the passive transducer. They are also known as the external power transducer. The capacitive, resistive, and inductive transducers are the example of passive transducers. And what is active transducer? The active transducer, which does not require the external power source, is known as the active transducer. Such type of transducer develops their own voltage or current, hence known as a self-generating transducer. The output signal is obtained from the physical input quantity. The physical quantity like velocity, temperature, force, and the intensity of light is induced with the help of the transducer. The piezoelectric crystal, photovoltaic cell, tachogenerator, thermocouples, photovoltaic cell are the examples of the active transducers. Means they generate by their own, by means of pressure, force, or any other mechanical input. They induce EMF. Next, here is the example of piezoelectric crystal of consider the examples of a piezoelectric crystal. The crystal is sandwiched between the two metallic electrodes, and the entire sandwich is fastened to the base. The mass is placed on the top of the sandwich. The piezoelectric crystal has the special property because of which when the force is applied to the crystal, they induce the voltage. The base provides the acceleration due to which the voltage is generated. The mass applied on the crystals induces an output voltage. The output voltage is proportional to the acceleration. Here the diagram is shown in this figure. Piezoelectric crystal is sandwiched between the mass and the base, and acceleration is given here in this direction of acceleration. So the above mentioned transducer is known as the accelerometer, which converts the acceleration into an electric voltage. This transducer does not require any auxiliary power source for the conversion of physical quantity into an electrical signal. Next classification, analog and digital transducer. The transducer can also be classified by their output signals. The output signal of the transducer may be continuous or discrete. Analog transducer. The analog transducer changes the input quantity into a continuous function. The strain gauge, LVDT, thermocouple, thermistor are the examples of the analog transducer. Now, digital transducer. These transducers convert an input quantity into a digital signal or in the form of a pulse. The digital signals work on high or low power. Next, fifth, transducer and inverse transducer. Transducer, the device which converts the non-electrical quantity into an electrical quantity, is known as the transducer. In Reverse transducer, just opposite of transducer. The transducer which converts the electrical quantity into a physical quantity, such type of transducers is known as the inverse transducer. The transducer has high electrical input and low non-electrical output. This is the end of this lecture. Thank you.